See this coolant dripping right here? A lot of drivers ignore this leak on a Volvo D13 because the truck still runs fine. But this small leak coming from the water pump can turn into overheating, roadside breakdowns, and even major engine damage if ignored too long. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what the weep hole is, why it leaks, and what causes these failures, and why catching it early can save you thousands. We work on Volvo, Detroit, Cummins, Paccar, and more here at TAT Express in Dallas. Coolant system failures like this are extremely common on high mileage trucks and owner-operator units trying to stay on the road. And what starts as a small coolant leak can quickly turn into major breakdowns if ignored. A lot of drivers see coolant around a water pump and think maybe a hose is leaking or something came loose. But this specific area right here is called the weep hole. The weep hole is intentionally built into the pump. Its job is to let coolant escape once internal seals inside the water pump starts failing. That leak is basically the pump telling you, I'm failing. Once coolant starts coming out of that hole, replacement is usually needed because the internal seals have already failed. This is where drivers get into trouble. Over time, bearings wear down, seals get damaged, and heat cycle takes their toll on the water pump. Some common causes we see are old or contaminated coolant, excessive heat in the cooling system, high mileage, bearing wear, cooling system that haven't been serviced properly. And once bearings wear, it can damage the seal and allow coolant to pass through the pump. This is why proper coolant maintenance matters more than people think. Drivers may notice coolant dripping under the truck, constant low coolant warnings, having to refill coolant repeatedly, engine temperatures running hotter than normal, noise from the front of the engine like squealing or grinding. Some drivers ignore it because the truck still runs, but coolant loss can escalate fast under heavy loads. This is where small problems become major engine repairs. If coolant drops too low and the engine overheats, now you're risking head gasket damage, cracked components, warped cylinder heads, engine shutdowns, roadside breakdowns, and downtime costs money. Lost loads, hotel stays, towing, missed deliveries, it all adds up fast. And most of the time, these trucks give warning signs before a catastrophic failure. The problem is drivers wait too long to address them. Catching these failures early is always cheaper than waiting for a catastrophic damage. This is why inspections matter. A good inspection catches warning signs before they turn into catastrophic failures. We always recommend addressing cooling system issues early instead of waiting until the truck overheats on the road. If your truck is losing coolant, running hot, or you're seeing coolant around the water pump area, get it checked before it turns into overheating and major engine damage. We diagnose and repair Volvo, Cummins, Detroit, Paccar, and more. Call TAT Express 972-225-3017. We help owner-operators and fleets stay on the road and avoid major downtime.